Good afternoon, everybody. We Paddy from across the shock, and I'm going to do the drawing for the giveaway last week. The box of knives. There'll be one knife change. I was giving away a Spyderco bug until I realised it was a gift I had just got recently. So I'll put another small knife in its place. I haven't picked it yet, even, but I'll change that over. That's the only difference. Now, also, for my subscribers who are from across the shuck in any direction, I'm going to do an international giveaway next week. It'll just be one knife, but I couldn't afford the postage in a big box, to be perfectly honest. So I'll do one knife, and it'll be just for those who live across the shuck in any direction, anywhere in the world, and that knife will be yours. So this is just for UK only, like I stated in the video. And remember, if you haven't got the double dots after the I'm in, you don't win the prize, and I move on to the next one. So I have the video in up here. I'm going to filter duplicate users, and I'm going to get my comments. 165 comments. We'll go over here and we will start for the winner. Good luck to everyone. The very best of luck. Here we go now. And the winner is, I'm awful sorry, Durand. It's you're from the, I did say it was UK, so I'm very, very sorry. Keep trying. There'll be a one next week for you. I'm going to pick another winner. I'm in with the double dots, and it's EarthHug58. EarthHug, just contact me on my Instagram channel or my email, which I've left down below. EarthHug had I'm in with the double dots after it, which was the secret code for watching to the end of the video. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, folks, for those of you who want another giveaway video, be international, and it'll be you next week. Take care, everybody. Bye now. Bye. Well done, EarthHug.